Right, now this is a continued series on Vantage markets. Now don't forget, follow the description down below to receive your 50% deposit extra. So if you were to deposit $1,000, that's right, you get an extra $500 on top. Now today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go through the Vantage markets dashboard, show you everything you get once you sign up with the link below. Okay, now when you first jump in, you will be shown your demo and you can easily switch to live account. So simply click on open account, follow the demo instructions. If you're still new to this, head on over to my previous video where I go through the whole process of creating a live account and also a demo account. Now, as we can see on the top, you can click accounts and it will show you all your accounts you have. Also, you can click on funds, and this is where you can deposit, withdraw, transfer between your accounts, and also shows your transaction history. And as you can see on this, they have 7 options that you can do. So anywhere in the world or anything, if you're on your phone and you want to do Apple Pay, you can simply do it. If you have a load of crypto, you can deposit the crypto and it only takes 1 hour. Looking down at the next tab, we have promotions. And as you can see here, we have a 50% bonus. And also, total transparency, as you can see, I deposited £1,000 and I received an extra £500 on top to trade with. Now, as we go further down, Vantage rewards. So you can collect V points for doing absolutely nothing. And then you can put these V points towards your trading journey as well. So like it says here, you can trade, earn, and redeem. And as we go down, it tells you so many different things. So you've got the Wheel of Fortune, Lucky Draw, Cash Redemption, Deposit Rebate, Profit Booster, and Loss Protection. So if I were to click on Point Center, you can see that they do a daily check-in. All you have to do is click on check-in and they give you 1 point. So if you're on Vantage every single day, you can rack up these points nice and easy. So looking on the next tab, we have download. So if you're on your mobile and you come into your dashboard, you can simply click on download App Store or Google Play, and then you get this lovely little app where you can do your trades. You can see everything I see all on your mobile. However, if you are like myself and you want to do it on PC, you've got MetaTrader 4, but also MetaTrader 5 available on Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, and Web Trader. Now, looking at the tools, this is my personal favorite tab because everything comes in here. Okay, so I personally trade currencies. So you can see with these bubbles that within the last 24 hours, Euro USD has been mentioned 1,275 times in the news. So be careful and expect a lot of volatility when you see something has been mentioned a lot of times. Not only that, but you get technical insights from the experts at Vantage where they go through different pairs. And for example, this says here, most viewed, which is the most bullish. But you've also got most popular, trending now, and most viewed, that is a bearish. Not only that, but you've got featured ideas as well. Okay, so with featured ideas, they basically give you their opinion on it. So they say here for GJ, we found a pattern called outside bar, which is a bullish pattern on August the 5th on a 5-minute chart, suggesting the outlook is bullish for up to 12 hours. And for example, you can see the top 5 that they think are bullish and also the top 5 that they think are bearish. Not only that, but as a trader myself, this is most important for I check this every morning. It's the economic calendar. So you can basically go on here and see if there's any major news. But what they also do is once the news has happened, they give you the exact pips volatility in the 4 hours after past events. So this gives you the history of what's going to happen or what potentially could happen. Another interesting tab is analyst views. So when you go on there, the professional analyst, they give you their insights in here. So for example, USD CAD, which is US dollar to the Canadian dollar, short positions below 1.3885 with targets at. So they're giving you trade ideas as well. And this is, you don't even have to deposit. You can just sign up and get all of this anyway. That's Forex. They also do crypto, stocks, indices, and commodities as well. Not only that, but you do get trading indicators as well on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which everyone loves. And you've got the analyst views, which it comes up. As you can see, this is like a trade idea. But you get the adaptive candlesticks and the adaptive divergence convergence. Now, if you are still a bit stuck, you can go to video tutorials, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And this goes basically through everything. For example, introduction to MetaTrader 5, introduction to stock market, advanced stock market trading, so you can learn inside this app as well. And then the last 2 tabs are simply profile and support. So if you want to create a ticket, simply create a ticket, put the subject, context, create new ticket, and there Customer service is very fast as well. I believe they're open 24/7, and also they have a little chat bubble down there as well if you want to speak to an advisor straight away. Right, now that was the introduction to Vantage Dashboard. Let me know down in the comments your opinion and whether you actually think they need to add something or whether you think it's a bit too busy. Me personally, I use this daily, even if I don't trade on Vantage and I use my prop firms. I use it for the economic calendar, the trade ideas, everything like that, just to add enough confidence for myself. But I know it's a longer video than normal, but do remember to get that 50% deposit using the code below, using that link that we've put in the description for you. Simply set yourselves up and get another 50% trading. But thank you very much for watching. Hit that follow button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video, and keep up to date with this Vantage series.